Okay, so this is just briefly to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel on your phone. So I've got a Samsung phone here and I've downloaded, these are all my different apps, but I've got my Microsoft apps which I've downloaded. I downloaded a thing called Office 365 from the Play Store. I click on Excel and here's some recent things I've looked at in Excel. I'm going to click on plus to make a new one, and I want to save it in OneDrive. I'm going to save this one in on this device in Documents so that I find it easy to get out again, and I'm creating a blank workbook. So I'm going to, let's say, choose this particular box here, and I press it twice, and that allows me then to edit it. Okay, so I'm going to put in here apples. The line underneath it, same story, I press it twice to edit it, and I put in, let's say, oranges. So I'm typing in the words, okay? So then I'm going to have price at the top. And then beside that, I'm going to type in, now I can still keep typing because my keyboard is up here, okay? And I'm going to put quantity. Okay, so then for my price, my apples are going to be 1.2, and my oranges, let's say they're more expensive, 1.5. And then, I didn't spell quantity right, so I'll just go back and I'll edit that. Quantity. Okay, now, so let's just say I want 12 apples and I want 3 oranges, okay? Click on the next one. And this is where I'm going to put my total. And then I'm going to work out my maths. So this is where I need to do my sum. Okay. So I'll click on my phone. I'm going to switch from the words to the symbols section. Click equals. So that tells the computer I'm going to do a calculation. So I'm going to click 12. Then I'm going to click the multiply. So in this case I can click X or asterisk, okay, and then 12, okay, and then click equals. I click the return, which is the tick symbol. Now I'm going to do the same thing down here. So I'll do this again. So I'm going to edit that. So I'll go to symbol again, so equals, okay, and then I'll choose that box, and then asterisk, that box, and then click tick. Okay, fantastic. So I've now multiplied those. So now I'm going to have my total. So I double click it so I can edit what's in that box. Okay. Then I'm going to have, I'll need to add everything that's there. So I'll go to my symbol. So equals 14.4. And then plus that one there, so those two boxes, I've got tick on that, and plus. So I've now finished it and I got 18.9, so that's what I want. So now I am saving it, okay, and I'm going to save as. So I'm going to give it a name, okay, and I decided to save it on this device, but I'm going to call it, let's say, receipt. Okay, and where am I going to save? I'm going to save it in this device. Okay, and I'm going to save it in Documents. Okay, so I'm going to click Save. So now I want to put this into my OneNote. So I'm clicking on OneNote. And it brings up the recent pages I've looked at. But I want to go to a notebook, a specific notebook. So if we say that I'm going to do this in my ICT notebook, there's ICT 6.2. So I'm going to put it into, let's say, notes from class. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. So I'm going to have a new page. Okay, and I'm just going to call this receipt. So obviously you'll go to your homework section. Okay, and I click on the attach symbol here. Okay, and now on my phone I need to go to I need to find where receipt is, and I think, no, it's not in downloads. Okay, I had it on phone, and we should have documents. No. So I'm looking for documents here, and there's receipt. So I'll click on receipt there, and I'm going to insert it in here. So that should come up, and there is the receipt. So I can then double click that, and I'll be able to edit it as a teacher. I'll be able to edit that. Hope that helps.